How to read a textbook. Reading a textbook is not the same as reading a novel, a newspaper, or a magazine for pleasure. When we read for pleasure, we read passively. We expect the author to do the hard work of keeping us interested and making the meaning clear. We might skim over paragraphs or sections that don't interest us. A different set of techniques are necessary to get the most out of reading a textbook. Don't skip straight to the smallest type. Read the headings and subheadings. The larger the type, the more important the information. Spend some time studying the contents page and thinking about the headings and subheadings. They give you valuable insights into the most important themes and ideas and how the material in the textbook is organised. It's a bit like studying a map before you go on a journey to familiarise yourself with the route and key landmarks, rather than just hitting the road with no real idea of where you're going or what to look for. Enter into a conversation with your textbook. If you don't understand something, write your question in the margin. If you find out the answer later on, write this down too. If you strongly agree or disagree with something, write down what it is and why. This helps you read actively, not just passively letting words drift past your eyes and hoping something sticks in your brain. The more you highlight, the less use it is. Think about what you are highlighting and why. Perhaps highlight one key point in each paragraph. Then next time you look at the textbook, you can just read the highlighted phrases and remind yourself of the key points and themes. You'll understand more and remember more if you read for a purpose. But because it's the set reading for this week is not a good purpose. If your textbook has a list of learning outcomes or a summary of key points, you can use these for your reading purpose. Reword them as questions, and then as you read, hunt down the answers. You can also use these as a revision checklist. To recap, when reading a textbook, the larger the print, the more important the information. Spend some time studying the table of contents for clues. Read with a pen in your hand, but be selective about note-taking and highlighting. Read for a purpose, and make use of the learning outcomes or key points. My name is Melanie Rimmer, and I teach several courses for the Open University.